The squid versus octopus. The squid and octopus share many features, including that they both have tentacles, they have a similar body shape, similar coloring, and they both have beaks. But they are also not related in many ways. Octopuses live in dens on the seafloor, and squids live in the open ocean. Octopuses range in size from 1 centimeter to more than 5 meters in length, and squids range in size from 1 centimeter to 20 meters. Octopuses are solitary creatures that live alone, and squids sometimes live in large schools. The male octopus uses a specialized arm called the hectocleidos to transfer sperm to the mantle cavity of a receptive female, and squids often meet in large groups and attach their egg capsules to the ocean floor or to seaweed. They both have similar ancestry to snails and other mollusks, and both squids and octopuses have blue blood because they use an oxygen-carrying molecule in their blood that contains copper. Cuttlefish are the next closest relatives of the octopus. They have 10 arms instead of 8, and the ancestors of octopuses had 10 arms, but octopuses lost 2 of them as they evolved. Like all other cephalopods, squids have a distinct head, bilateral symmetry, a mantle, and arms. Squid, like cuttlefish, have 8 arms arranged in pairs and 2 usually longer tentacles.